concerns about his
Okay.
court's admonishments, so we'll just pick it up from there. And Mike told me it's like 38 days.
32, Your Honor.
32. Okay, yeah. I'll give you 32, sir. I'm not going to give you 38. Just so don't get worried. And now YouTube is getting janky on me over here. I think we're on. All right. Mr. Rivera, you ready? All right. We are back on the record. State of Alice O'Neill, number 741-093. All parties prior to recess are again present, to include Mr. O'Neill. We're still on Zoom application, and we're still using YouTube to live stream proceedings. And Mr. Collins, have you had an opportunity to discuss with Mr.
I have, Your Honor.
Mr. O'Neill, I'm going to go back to share screen and again show you the court's admonishments. It's a 2-page document. Scroll through for you. But are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with Mr. Collins? Did you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. And is this your signature here? I'm using my cursor. I couldn't hear you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you are telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yeah.
Well, we don't normally say yeah. We say either yes, sir, or no, sir.
Okay.
Would that be a yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. And by signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishment, make them part of the record. And Ms. Hernandez, can you list out the plea agreement for us, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine. Court costs 32 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
Mr. Collins, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
And Mr. O'Neill, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
Mr. O'Neill, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual and rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I believe he does, Your Honor.
You believe it's been able to assist you in the defense?
He has, Your Honor.
You believe it's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Sir, the offense is listed on your information. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today? Well, you have your plea bargain, right? You have a plea bargain, correct?
Yes, sir.
And did anyone promise you anything above and beyond the plea bargain to get you to plead today?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
Yes, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
Find the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
I do, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, according to the agreement with the state, sir, sentence you to 32 days in the Barrett County Jail, give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. The time and the money will run concurrent. And this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I filed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
All right. This matter is now concluded. Best wishes to you, sir, and I'm turning off YouTube Live.
I'm excused, Your